Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most common words in daily life. Yesterday,
Hier,
today,
aujourd'hui,
tomorrow,
demain,
now,
maintenant,
home,
maison,
work,
travail,
friend,
ami,
family,
famille,
here,
ici,
there,
là-bas,
this,
ceci,
that,
cela,
day,
jour,
people,
gens,
and,
et,
but,
mais,
because,
parce que,
to do,
faire,
to go,
aller,
to be,
être,
to have,
avoir,
to want,
vouloir,
to see,
voir,
to come,
venir,
to say,
dire,
Quiz time.
venir, venir, là-bas, là-bas,
the answer is,
maintenant, maintenant, maison, maison,
the correct answer is,
aller, aller, ami, ami,
leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.